Company name is Fermentabity, which we want to differentiate face mask companies and provide product that contain natural ingredient with scientifically supported compound to attract more customer. The product that we produce is green bean selenium mask and it's named Green Glow Biobean. So our company mission is to improve skin health and beauty through innovative, natural and effective skin care solution and to help customer reduce their discomfort. Our vision is become familiar and become the leader in the skincare industry. So in this product we have selenium, which can support the skin, rich in antioxidant properties and protect cells from damage, while the green bean is to balance and brighten skin tone, nourish and moisturize the skin and reduce irritation and redness. So this is our organizational chart, which SYAZURA BINTI SHAMSUDIN as Chief Executive Officer, RAZIF BAKAR as Operational and Quality Assurance Department, NURUL ANISAH binti Muhammad Syukur as Human Resource Manager, ADILI KAMILI bin KAMSANI as Quality Control Manager, ADELLINA CHARLENE MOIMIN as Accounting Manager, CHOONG as Safety Management Manager, SYAZZAH MULIA bin JARIPAT as Operation Manager, and Aleeya binti ROSMAN as Marketing Manager. And next is our Gantt chart that have our planning, research, goal setting, methodology and design, monitoring, analysis, risk, and last is the submission of our product.
This study focused on the statistics of the selenium-enriched bean in skincare products. The research analyzed the chemical compositions of selenium-enriched fermentation board to investigate its whitening, moisturizing, and anti-aging properties. By utilizing biological fermentation, nutrients and active substances were released from the mung beans to enhance the functionality of the skincare product. Selenium is an antioxidant that helps protect tissue and DNA from free radical damage. Selenium mung beans show the potential as an important ingredient in skincare product because it is unique and bioactive compound. Mung beans are widely consumed in Asia for their health benefits. The process begins with sections of high-quality mung beans and sources of selenium. Mung beans are treated with ethanol, washed and sold and enriched with selenium. Then, probiotic bacteria are added before fermentation at a certain temperature. The solution is produced by fermentation and stored at low temperature.
Diagram 1 showing the process flow of receiving raw material until distribution. It starts with collecting raw material such as mung bean, additional ingredient, and then go to the fermentation process of mung beans. After the fermentation process, it starts with post-fermentation where the product regulatory monitor, and lastly, labeling, filling, and display product. Diagram 2 show an upstream and downstream process for mung beans face mask. Upstream process starts with the collecting of microorganisms and preparation of mung bean fermentation, and then the fermentation starts where all of the ingredient will be put in incubator. After that, the fermentation will go through the microfluidics filtration. After that, the downstream process starts with straining and refining the product. After that, it will go through formulation with additional ingredient and homogenization.
So lactobacillus helveticus and bifidobacteria in the selenium fermentation process produce biological product in the form of organic face mask, which contain nutrient and bioactive ingredient to treat the skin. The unique combination of fermented mung bean and probiotic bacteria also produce bioactive compound with beneficial care properties. So the type of product is sheet mask, which is rich in essential and moisturizing liquid that are easily absorbed by the face, and cream mask that have creamy texture that is beneficial for stimulating dead skin cells and improve skin texture. For the product ideas is we name the product is Green Glow Biobean, which symbolizes the greenness that benefit the skin and the radiant effect of glowing skin. The packaging uses aluminium to maintain freshness and effectiveness of the mask, while plant-based material are used to reduce the environmental impact. We also use wooden packing for cream texture, the integrity of the product and the preservation formula. User-friendly and eco-friendly housekeeping design with complete information of the product. So Green Glow Biobean is designed to provide moisturized and nutrient skin protection, while we aim the customer is the individual who focus on environmentally friendly skincare product, as well as understand the benefit of probiotic in the maintaining skin health.
Next, I'll be introducing the good manufacturing practice. These layouts show how our products are processed. The flow can be seen clearly in the layout. The products are processed from the supply corridor, then to machines area, which is continued until in the packaging area. The process can be manufactured smoothly when the GMP rules are applied. In the second layout, every room or section consists of a door, which connects the supply room to the specified working area. Here, less contamination initiated if the section have their own door to the main passage, also known as supply corridor. In material flow, this part shows the flow of every material used in every section. For example, The material used in formulation will only go through the formulation section. Other than formulations material are not allowed in this place. This practice also to avoid any confusion when making the product. Moving to the good manufacturing practices in building and premises, the facility site should be carefully picked, preferable near mug bin farmers, allowing easy access to fresh raw materials. While in landscaping and surrounding areas, hygienic landscaping methods require the absence of ponds or streams. Grass-free zones around structures reduce bug and rodent habitat. Driveways and parking lots must be paved and slanted to allow for water drainage. Outside the plant, the drainage system of the facility need to be built to reduce the accumulation of stagnant water. Design and maintenance of the floor surface also guarantee perfect drainage without remaining stagnant water. While inside the plant, the internal wall structure should have certain important qualities that are waterproof to prevent damage and mold formation. The floor of the facility must be able to withstand chemical and mechanical damage. It must not be slippery and free from damage. Lighting throughout the facility should be bright and neutral. While in equipment and utilities with specifications, it must be manufactured from stainless steel to prevent contamination and ensure life. PO water system, which is needed for both fermentation and cleaning. HVAC system to ensure controlled ambient condition in manufacturing facilities. Shipping, raw materials must be carefully inspected to ensure they meet certain quality standards. It is also kept under controlled condition to avoid damage. It should be transported in protective packaging. The selection of appropriate packaging materials also can withstand handling and environmental condition during the transit. In cleaning and sanitation, staff must receive training on hygiene practices and GMP laws. They also wear protective clothing, gloves, and harness. It is also crucial to keep the environment clean, orderly, and clean. Effective waste disposal system and pest control techniques also applied. Lastly, the personal hygiene and training. Every employee who participates in the production process should receive GMP training. Regular training should be held to reinforce procedure. Personnel must be prompted to report any indicators of illness or symptoms that may endanger the safety of the product.
Lastly, going through quality control, SCCP, HACCP, and monitoring protocol. This table is hazard analysis worksheet of Fermentabbeauty Company MUNG face mask product. The key point of this table is to analyze. The first one is ingredient and processing step, and then the potential hazard in chemical, biology, and physical. The third one is any hazard potential occurrence during the process. The fourth one is decision making of raw material, and the fifth one is preventative measure can be applied to prevent significant hazard. Critical control point analysis in selection of MUNG beans face mask is receiving, washing, bleaching, packaging, and storage the MUNG bean face mask. This table show HACCP plan critical limit. And then move to the monitoring protocol. These are the 6 aspects has been monitoring throughout the process of MUNG bean face mask.
In this slide, we have level product registration number, new and reverse manufacturer, and QR code contains the detail of the product. This is our packaging design. We use paperboard as our packaging and PET polyethylene garment plate for our monolithic glass. Paperboard provide extra protection and support during storage and transit. PET is used for final packaging due to its durability and strong bearing qualities.